Behold the splendor of the ALGOT system and an empty closet. Well, first things first, to set this thing up, you have to put this track, this fancy track that runs all the way across the expanse of your closet. And your stud placement might be in different places, so then that means you're going to have to probably drill into the metal yourself, and then so that you can get into a stud. Otherwise, just place these wonderful IKEA brand things. Yep, wall anchors. They work relatively well. You just drill them, get a drill bit that's about this size, and then just a little bit smaller, obviously. Put this in, pound it in gently with a hammer, and then use a screw. And so we'll see how this shapes up, okay? And now you can see that these little pieces are coming together. I'm at the stage where I've screwed this one in, and basically you're gonna take a level, gonna make sure that it's level, okay? As you hang it from the ceiling there, or from the upper bar, and then you're gonna space it out and just set up your ALGOT system using these shelves. Then after you're done, then you're going to take the shelves off, take these supports off, and then screw in or pop in those IKEA little wall anchors, and then reinstall it again. And right now this is solid, so looking forward to the next step. We're coming together here, and now after fastening the upper parts, the 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of the ALGOT system, what I had to do is I simply had to take a level and line it up and make sure that my screws were going to be continuing to go south, to go down at a level angle. So I'm going to do the same here. And what helps is that you install, again, these shelves loosely so that then you can be sure about the width and whatnot. So I've got a shelf that I'm going to install here just to be sure before I fasten this piece to the wall. So I'm measuring to make sure that it's level here lengthwise, but then I'm also checking the width by using the real deal, an actual shelf. So, and I'll do that in a moment. And there's the finished ALGOT system, or ALGOT system installed. It's pretty simple, really. You just make sure things are plumb. If you have a stud, use the stud. If not, then just make sure you drill into this railing at the top to make sure that you do drill into the stud to make sure that this whole thing is going to be stable. Get yourself a nice big level, and should be good. All right, have a great day.